Hello, I've got a player piano problem and I'm wondering if some of you experts out there might be able to point me in the right direction. This is a player piano that I got a few weeks ago. There is the maker's name. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. Now they are the guys who made the piano bit, I'm assuming. The player bit may have been made by somebody different, but I'll show you everything that's on the frame there so you can get as much information as you like. There is a number up under here, if you can read that, 53662, which is kind of on a little plaque on the side of the body, but it's on a kind of separate little plaque. But also stamped down here is a different number, 32721, which appears to be on the soundboard. So my problem is this: it's not like any player piano I've come across before. Obviously I've taken the piano action out here and I've taken the stack out, but the stack is not a complete stack. It's not got all the little bellows on it. Because what it's got the roll mechanism, then lots of pipes that go down to what I can only describe as a multi-pipe connector that connects on the front of here, and then all the pipes carry on in those wraps. Some go that way, some go that way, and some go down the middle, down there, and all the little bellows and things are under here. Now this is not like anything I've seen before, because normally all those little bellows and all the others that I've seen are in the stack. But maybe that's just because my knowledge is very limited on these. I'm still quite new to player piano restoration. But my problem is this: I've got this big board here with all this mechanism on, various bellows and things, and crucially the foot pedals. And one of these foot pedals, when you put it down, doesn't come up. You see, that one stays down. So there's something behind this big wooden board here that is either broken or come apart. So I'm wanting to get this unit off, and at each end there were three, you see three there, if I can make it focus, three sort of silver holes there that had in them these easy to undo key things. You know, it looks like something you should take off for servicing. Three at that end and three at that end. So I took them off, disconnected various linkages like you see here. I thought I'd be able to just pull all this lot out then and maybe disconnect a few pipes and service it. But the problem is that this part of the frame it's kind of got a lip on it, and this will not go past this. Do you see how it's behind it slightly there, and how it's behind it slightly down there? It won't come forwards past that. So how do I get it past that? Now, what I have tried, I've found some massive screws down there, right? And also down there, here, look at this end, you can see them better at this end. One there, and there should be one in there as well. Crucial, that bottom one is missing, and the bottom one is missing on that side too. So it looks like that's been off before. So I'm wondering, I've tried undoing those, and when I undo those, all of this keyboard part moves slightly. It does not move this, which is related to the stack underneath. This is the little things that push up to operate the piano action. that doesn't move when I undo these big screws, but all of this front frame that supports the keys does, and crucially this leg bit does as well, but it only moves a bit. It's not really loose. So my question is this: do I really have to take out these massive screws and undo various other things, some of which I've probably not found yet, and then take all this keyboard frame off to get that out? Or is there an easier way of getting that out? Because that should be easy, because it's got these that seem to make it look like it should be easily serviceable rather than ordinary screws or bolts. So is there an easy way of getting that out from down there? That's what I want to know. So answers on the proverbial postcard, or better still, in the comments section, please. Thanks very much.